You can continue. The next is miscellaneous exercise, question number 10. The question number 10 is, a toy company manufactures two types of dolls, A and B. Market tests and available resources have indicated that the combined production level should not exceed 1,200 dolls per week, and the demand for dolls of type B is at most half of that for the dolls of type A. So, a company manufactures two types of dolls, A, type A and type B, and the combined production should not exceed 1,200. Also, the demand for dolls of type B is at most half of type A. Then what else is given? Further, the production level of dolls of type A can exceed 3 times the production of dolls of other type by at most 600 units. Then, if the company makes profit of rupees 12 and rupees 16 per doll respectively on dolls A and B, how many of each should be produced weekly in order to maximize the profit? So, in order to maximize the profit, what is the number of dolls of type A and type B produced per week? So, we can take, let X be the number of dolls of type A and Y be the number of dolls of type B. X be the number of dolls of type A and Y be the number of dolls of type B. Then we have to find maximum profit. So, maximize, objective function maximize Z is equal to profit for type A doll, that is rupees 12. So, here we have X dolls. So, profit is 12X and type B is 16. So, plus 16Y, subject to, what are the constraints? The combined production should not exceed 1,200. That is the first sentence given in the question. So, combined production means X be the number of dolls of type A and Y be the number of dolls of type B. The combined should not exceed 1,200. So, X plus Y less than or equal to 1,200. Now, the next one, demand for dolls of type B is at most half of A. Type B is Y. At most means the sign is less than or equal. Half of A is X. Okay. Or we can write X minus 2Y. Y is less than or equal to half X, or simplify and we can write 2Y less than or equal to X, or X minus 2Y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, what is the third one? Production level of dolls of type A can exceed 3 times the dolls of type B by at most 600 units. So, type of A can exceed. Usually can exceed means we put equal sign and the other one plus the number. The same way you can do here. So, type A exceed 3 times B. So, 3Y and the number is 600, that is plus 600. But here the sign is not equal, it is at most. So, it is less than or equal. Or how can we write? X minus 3Y is less than or equal to 600. So, there are 3 constraints, and in addition to these, what we have to write? The non-negative constraints. Okay. So, objective function, first constraint, second constraint, third constraint and non-negative constraint. Now, we have to draw the graph. For that, find the points. x plus y is 1200. So xy, when x is 0, y is 1200, y 0, x is 1200. The other one is x minus 2y equal to 0. Since it is in hundreds, you can take x and y in terms of hundreds. Otherwise, if you take x1, then y is 1 by 2. It's difficult to plot. So, the one point is when x is 0, y is 0. The other one we can take when x is 1000. When x is 1000, y is 100, 500. 500 into 2 is 1000. So, equal to 0. Now, the third one is 600. So, xy, when y is 0, x is 600. Then when x is 300 or any other number, or x0, you can give x0. So, minus 3y is 600. So, y is minus 200. Okay. Or if you don't want negative, you take positive values. So, this much. Now, we have to draw the graph. Okay. So, take the graph, draw the line. Negative is there, so no space here. X dash, Y dash, origin 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. It's enough. Here minus 200. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1200. Then 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. So, the first one is x plus y. X plus y less than or equal to 1200. So, 1200, 0 and 0, 1200. Draw the line. If the line is not correct, then you won't get the corner points. Okay. X plus y is less than or equal to 1200. So, when we substitute origin, 0 less than or equal to 1200. So, towards the origin is the solution region of this line. Now, what is the next line? Y less than or equal to 1 by 2x, or x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. What are the points? One is origin, the other one 1000 and 500. 1000 and 500. 1500. Okay. Now, dot the line. This line is okay. This line is x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. Then where we shade? It passing through the origin. This line is not correct, children. So, when you draw, very careful. It is through the origin. So, we can't substitute origin. Take any other point. I can take this point 1200, 0. So when x is 1200 and y is 0, that is correct. 1200 is greater than or equal to 0. So towards this portion. Okay. Now the third line. What is the third line? X is less than or equal to y plus 3y plus 600. Am I right? So 600 0 and the other one is 0 minus 200. And draw the line. Okay. This line is x minus 3y equal to 600. Then shading, we can give 0, origin 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 600. That statement is correct. So towards the origin. Okay, towards the origin, and we have this constraints also. So in the first quadrant values only we have to take. So for this line, first line towards the origin, the second line, what is the condition? 1200, that is towards this portion, and here towards this. So this closed region, that is the solution region. Okay, that is the region. Now write corner points and values of Z. So write this corner points, value of Z. And what is Z? Z, what is equal to? Z is equal to 12x plus 16y. Okay, so corner points, one is 600 0, 1200. Is there any point like that? 1200, 800, 400. 800, 400, and this first point is first point means it passing through the origin. Okay, so it is origin itself, and here we have one point, that is 1000 and 200. Substitute in Z. So first one, when x is 600, 12 6 are 72. Okay. The next is 800, 400. 12 8s are 96. 16 4s are 64. Okay. Then 1000. One 5 2 0 0. The last one is 0. So which is the maximum? Maximum is 800 400. Maximum profit is 16,000. So maximum value of Z. Z is equal to 16,000 when x is equal to 800. That is first type A dolls. Number of type A dolls 800 and second is 400. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 4 in the miscellaneous exercise. So read that question number 4. A manufacturer makes two types of toys, A and B. A and B. 3 machines are needed for this purpose and the time in minutes required for each toy on the machines is given below. So the table is given. There are two types of toys, A and B, and 3 machines are there, and the required time, these are in minutes. So toy of type A that required 12 minutes in machine 1, machine 2 18 minutes, machine 3 6 minutes, like that. So that table is given. Then each machine is available for maximum of 6 hours. Then profit on each type of toy, type A is rupees 7.50 and B is rupees 5. Then we have to show that 15 toys of type A and 30 of type B should be manufactured in a day to get maximum profit. So its value is given, we have to prove only. So the point is 15, 30. At that point we get maximum profit. So again we have to write objective function. So let x be the number of toys of type A and y be the number of toys of type B. Then objective function is maximize z is equal to 7.50x plus 5y subject to constraints based on this table. So machine 1 is available for maximum 6 hours. So type A 12 minutes. So there are x toys of type A. So total minutes is 12x, and B 6y, 12x plus 6y, that is in machine number 1. It is maximum 6 hours. Maximum means less than or equal. 6 hours, but these are in minutes. So 6 hours means 6 into 60 minutes. 6 into 60 is 360. Then write the second one, 18. A means type, first type toy. There are x number of toys. Here y number of toys. So 18 into x plus 0 into y. 18x plus 0y. Machine 2 is available for 360 minutes. Now the third one, 6x plus 9y, that is also less than or equal to 360, and we have to write non-negative constraints. Now draw the table. 12x plus 6y is equal to 360. So xy, when x is 0, y is 60, when y is 0, 30. Now 18x is equal to 360, that is x is equal to 20. Now the third one, 6x plus 9y is 360. xy, when x is 0, 9y is 360 means 9 4s are 36, and when it's 0, when y 0, it is 60. Okay. Now we can draw. So 0, 60, 0, 60 and 30, 0, and 0, 40 and 60, 0. So 10, 20, 30 we can draw. maximum 60 only. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. What about the first one? First point is 0, 60 and 30, 0. 0, 60 and 30, 0. Again it's gone. Okay. The next one. What is the equation? First one? 12x plus 6y is less than or equal to 360. Okay. So when we substitute origin, it is towards the origin. Now the next line is x is 20. X is 20. Draw a straight line. X is 20. X is equal to 20. 12x plus 6y is 360. And x is less than or equal to 20, isn't it? So it is towards the origin. Now we have one more line, which is that line. The equation is 6x plus 9y is less than or equal to 316. Its points are 60, 0. 60, 0 and 0, 40. Sixty, 0 and 0, 40. Okay. So equation 6x plus 9y less than or equal to 360. That is also towards the origin. So this line towards the origin. So we get that closed region, isn't it? Okay. So we get which is the solution region, this region. Okay. The first line is towards the origin, the second is towards the origin, the straight line also towards the origin. Now which are the corner points? Corner points and values of z. Value z. One is origin, the other one is here 15, 30. Here we have one line, that is 20, 20. Then 0, 40. And the objective function is 7.50x plus y is, what is y? 5y. So when we substitute origin, it is 0. Then 15, 30. 75 into 15. Then again 75. So 5, 1125. No, that's wrong. 30 into 50, that is 150 plus 75 into 15. Then 75. So 1275. 1275. Then 20, 20. 75 into 20 is 150, 150 and 100, that is 250. Then next is 200. Okay, so the maximum is 15 and 30. So maximum at 15 and 30. That is the question. We have to show that 15 toys of type A and 30 of type B should be manufactured to get maximum profit. So we proved. Okay.